Hey everybody, this video is to show you how to deal with some common issues that might pop up with your iPad. So as many of you know, sometimes it doesn't work exactly the way you want it to. So for example, let's say you're trying to import this homework into Notability. So you tap the dots, you hit share and export, but then when you tap share and export, nothing happens. That happens sometimes. Okay, so if you tap something and it's just not doing anything, the way that I would recommend you to try to fix this is to just double tap or double press your home button, kind of like this, right? And you have all your apps open, and just swipe it away. Okay, if you swipe it away, it'll close it. It'll close it so that you can go back into it and try it again. Okay, a lot of times that just fixes it. So now if you go back into that homework and you tap the buttons and you hit share and export, now it works, right? Same thing sometimes if you hit send a copy, it won't send it. So if you just double tap, swipe it away, go back in, try it again, 99% of the time that fixes the problem. If it still doesn't fix it, then what I would do is press and hold the power button until your iPad turns completely off, and then press it again to turn it on. Just sometimes just turning it off, turning it on, it sounds dumb, but that fixes the problem most of the times, and then you should be good. So those are my two tips. Just swipe the app closed, or if that doesn't work, completely restart your iPad.